Another controversial remark that has been made by the former Chief Minister of Karnataka, H.D. Kumaraswamy, and this is coming at a time when he had mentioned about houses of those who are contributing to the funds of the construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya that are being marked like the Nazis of Germany, who had a similar system to identify Jews for execution. Now, this is a kind of controversial remark that has been made by the former Chief Minister of the state, where he was speaking at a press conference in Shivamogga there, and he had mentioned about the system that is being practiced after collection of funds for Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. He also reiterated the same in a series of tweets where he mentioned of these developments and saying that you all know what happened in Germany under the Nazi rule. Going across to Sagar Raj for a quick update, because Sagar Raj, what exactly does his statement mean and imply as to the donation drive that has been going on across India? Many of those political and prominent political leaders have also been contributing to the funding drive of the Grand Ram Mandir to be built in Ayodhya. What is the issue that the former Chief Minister of Karnataka is pointing at? I'm afraid we are unable to hear you, Sagar Raj. But we will try to play out exactly what the former Karnataka Chief Minister has to say, and he's been sticking with his statement on a controversial remark that he has made on the funding drive that is being currently carried out on the building of a Grand Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Now he is saying that those who are contributing to the funds of the construction of Ram Mandir are being marked like the Nazis in Germany, who were marked, who had a similar system to identify Jews for execution. He had made that controversial statement in Shivamogga while he was addressing media there. But going back to Sagar Raj now, yes, Sagar Raj, please continue, because it seems that H.D. Kumaraswamy is sticking with this controversial statement.
Absolutely, because Kumaraswamy, when he was addressing a press conference in Shivamogga district of Karnataka, went on to say that he has seen several reports, though he is not sure whether these kinds of marks have been done, but he has learned through media reports that RSS, which is on a drive of collecting money to build Ram Mandir temple, have marked the houses which have not paid the money. On the other side, if you notice, the Ram Janmabhoomi committee, which has been collecting the funds, have said that they haven't done anything of that sort, and it is on a voluntary basis. Whoever wants to give money, nobody has been forced to do that. And the statement of Kumaraswamy is just to attract...
Sagar, stay on with us. JD spokesperson Tanveer Ahmed is with us on the phone line. Good morning to you, Tanveer. Can you help us understand what H.D. Kumaraswamy meant by saying those who are being marked, who are giving funds and are participating in the donation drive to Ram Mandir construction, are actually being marked like Nazis did in Germany? What does the former Chief Minister mean by the statement?
Firstly, we need to really understand who is the one who's collecting the fund. There are first one people who are really Ram Bhaks who are collecting, and second people who are collecting is for their political benefit, and third are the goons and people who want to make money, extract money. We all have seen a couple of videos going around, people who are coming and giving fake RSS certificates and trying to collect the money. And second thing, there are several statements reported across Karnataka. Let me just tell you. Several reports collected across Karnataka. Can I finish it, please? Can I finish it? It is an important discussion. There are certain places in Karnataka where people who are poor, who could not give money, they were threatened by the goons, saying that we would see you. We would see you. The repercussions are going to be dangerous. Are they not behaving like Nazis? It is voluntary. You cannot really scare people in the name of Ram.
To Nazis there? Do you know the contribution to the Ram Mandir fund has gone up beyond 1,000 crores? Many of those prominent, whether be it religious, spiritual and political leaders, are participating in the donation drive. Why question them?
Ma'am, I have personally contributed, but it has to be voluntary. There are certain reports which came across Karnataka. People who are not in a position to give money, they were threatened. Who does this? Goons and Nazis do this. We are not calling everybody who's collecting chanda are Nazis. People who are threatening in the name of Ram, they are definitely worse than Nazis.
All right, so those are the questions that are being raised against the Chief Minister of the state to there by the JDS. Thanks very much, Tanveer Ahmed, for your point of view. We will be quickly listening in to what the former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy had to say while he made that controversial statement.
ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sagaraj, coming back to you, because the donation drive that began from the 15th of January onwards, it was a nationwide drive. We're looking at many of those people who have been contributing to the construction of Ram Mandir there. But the questions that are now being raised by the opposition in the state of Karnataka, any sort of reactions that are coming in from the government side saying that they are being forced to donate? All right, Sagai, I have to interrupt you again. Vinod Bansal of the VHP is with us on the phone line. Vinod जी, ये सुनने में आ रहा है कि एच.डी. कुमारस्वामी का कहना है कि लोगों को जबरदस्ती कहा जा रहा है कि चंदा इकट्ठा करो, नहीं तो उनके साथ ठीक नहीं होगा।
देखिए, ये तो हम कोई चंदा इकट्ठा नहीं कर रहे। चंदे का अभियान विश्व हिंदू परिषद का, संघ का या किसी हिंदू समाज को हो ही नहीं सकता। ये जो श्री राम जन्मभूमि के लिए निधि समर्पण अभियान चल रहा है, उस समर्पण भाव से किए जाने वाला अभियान है। लोग समर्पण भाव से कर रहे हैं, अपने आप हमें बुला के दे रहे हैं। और जो लोग इस बारे में ये कहते हैं कि इसका कोई एक्सटॉर्शन होता है, जबरदस्ती हो रही है, कोई चंदा है या कोई दान है या कोई इसका उगाही है, वो अपनी मानसिकता को परिलक्षित कर रहे हैं। बेसिकली वो पता लग रहा है कि ये लोग अब तक क्या करते आए हैं, उनकी मानसिकता क्या है। वो अपनी मानसिकता से बाहर निकलें। भगवान राम का काम है, राम के काम में सहयोग न करें तो कोई बात नहीं, कम से कम उसको अपमानित करने का काम न करें। हमारा ये कहना है कि देखिए, ये बड़ा पवित्र कार्य है, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा अभियान है। इसमें करोड़ों लोग लगे हुए हैं, इसमें करोड़ों लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, लाखों कार्यकर्ता जमीन पर भी हैं। अभियान अपनी पूर्णता की ओर है, 27 फरवरी को पूरा हो जाएगा। ये 44 दिन के अभियान में 65 तो देशवासी इसमें शामिल होने वाले हैं, तो कुछ राजनेताओं को इसमें मिर्ची लगना स्वाभाविक है। उनको जो लोग रामद्रोही हैं, उनको बार बार उसी बात की चिढ़ है कि आखिरकार राम के काम को कोई कर क्यों रहा है, राम काज क्यों हो रहा है। ये जो रावणवादी बाबरवादी मानसिकता है, वो कुछ लोगों को जीने नहीं दे रही।
चलिए, धन्यवाद आपका विनोद बंसल जी for joining us on the phone line. So we played out both the reactions that are coming in from the JDS side and the VHP side. They are condemning what the former Chief Minister of the state had to say. Sagaraj, I'm sorry, I'll come back to you later in